Say this confidently and with purpose. Don't worry. These two simple words, when spoken with conviction, can completely change how women perceive you. Today, I'll show you how using one straightforward phrase can transform your interactions and help you attract the right woman. These words aren't magic, but when used correctly, they have the power to shift perceptions and create a lasting impression. The key lies in how you deliver them, with confidence, clarity, and intention. And the best part? I'm going to teach you how to weave this technique seamlessly into your everyday life. Before we get started, I need your help. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Not only does this support what I do, but it also ensures you'll never miss out on more game-changing insights. And trust me, I've got plenty more to share. Your like and subscription make a real difference, not just to me, but to others who'll benefit from this content. Can I count on your support? Great, let's dive in. Here's a common mistake many men make when talking to women. They come across as too accommodating or indecisive. Ever catch yourself saying things like, "whatever you want," or "I don't know, you decide"? That may feel polite, but to a woman, it signals uncertainty. And nothing shuts down attraction faster than uncertainty. Here's the secret. Women are drawn to men who exude confidence, clarity, and leadership. And the key to showing those traits? Two simple words: I want. Now, you might be thinking, what's so special about that? But here's the truth. When you say I want, you're not just expressing desire. You're making a statement about who you are. You're showing that you know what you want and aren't afraid to go for it. And that decisiveness is magnetic. Let's talk about how to use this in real life, because knowing the secret is one thing, putting it into action is what changes everything. For example, instead of saying, "Hey, if you're free, maybe we could hang out sometime," try this: "I want to take you to dinner this Friday." See the difference? You're no longer seeking approval or waiting for her to decide. You're showing that you've made up your mind and are confident in your choice. That confidence is what sets you apart. Or, when you start a conversation with a woman you're interested in, don't dance around the point with vague comments. Instead say, "I want to get to know you better. How about coffee this week?" It's direct, it's honest, and it's refreshing. You're showing interest in a way that feels clear and intentional, which women appreciate. Before we move on, let me ask you, have you ever thought about sending just one text that could make a woman crave you instantly? Imagine a message so powerful it takes over her mind, making her think about you non-stop, even if she's with someone else or only sees you as a friend. These secret phrases tap into her emotions, creating an obsession that leaves her excited and counting down the minutes until she sees you again. But be warned, if you're not ready for her to fall head over heels, these might not be for you. Ready to unlock this game-changing tool? Click the first link below to download these magnetic messages and see how quickly the dynamic shifts in your favor. Now, let's go deeper into how I want works in more advanced stages of a relationship. If you're already seeing someone, this phrase can be a game changer when expressing your desires positively. Instead of saying, "whatever you prefer is fine," take the lead with something like, "I want to spend more time with you this weekend. How about we plan something together?" See how that works? You're being clear and proactive, showing her that your time with her is important. But here's a crucial point. Confidence isn't arrogance. Using "I want" gives you an air of security and decisiveness. But if it's not paired with empathy and respect, it can come across the wrong way. Let's make sure you avoid that trap. If you're enjoying this so far, drop "I want" in the comments. I want to see how many of you are stepping up and owning your confidence. Now let's be clear. Using "I want" isn't about making everything revolve around you. It's not about imposing your desires without considering her feelings. This isn't about control or dominance. It's about clarity and intention while leaving space for a balanced dialogue. For example, if you say, "I want us to go out for dinner tomorrow," that's great. You're being direct and decisive. But if she replies that she can't or prefers another day, Your response should show understanding and flexibility, like, "No problem. How about Saturday instead?" This demonstrates that while you know what you want, you're also considerate of her preferences. That's the sweet spot, being firm without being rigid. Here's what you need to remember. Women appreciate decisiveness, but they're turned off by inflexibility or self-centeredness. Being clear about what you want shows confidence, but respecting her perspective shows emotional intelligence, and that's what sets you apart. Even better, when you use "I want," you create space for her to express what she wants too. When you're honest and open, it encourages her to do the same, building a connection rooted in mutual respect and open communication. One last thing, your tone matters just as much as your words. It's not just what you say, but how you say it. Confidence with kindness is the key. You don't want to sound demanding or authoritarian. Instead, speak with warmth and respect. Show her that while you're clear about your intentions, you're equally invested in understanding hers. That balance is what makes "I want" so powerful. Now that you understand how to use these two powerful words, it's time to take action. This is where the real transformation begins. A small shift like this can have a massive impact, not just on how you connect with women, but on how others perceive you in every part of your life. So here's my challenge for you. Starting today, use the phrase "I want" 5 times a day for the next week. It doesn't have to be in big life-changing situations. What matters is building the habit. Use it with women, with friends, or even in your daily decisions. When you start saying "I want," something remarkable happens. People's reactions to you will change. They'll respect you more, see you as someone confident and self-assured. And yes, you'll even notice a difference in how women are drawn to you. That's the power of clarity and confidence in action. We've reached the end of this video, but I want to leave you with something important. Theory alone won't change your life. The real difference comes from taking action. So start putting what you've learned today into practice. Drop a comment below and share how you plan to use "I want" this week. Think about one situation where this phrase could shift the dynamic in your favour. And here's the key part. Come back at the end of the week and share your results. I can't wait to hear about the incredible changes you'll experience. I hope this video has been valuable to you, my friend. If you'd like more tips like this, comment below with the phrase, "I am the best version of myself for women." And if you're ready to level up in every area of your life, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It's a simple way to support the channel and ensure you stay connected to the insights that will help you grow. Finally, don't hesitate to share your thoughts or stories in the comments below. Express yourself freely. This is a space for positivity, growth, and connection. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.